Hey guys, it's Gabriel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's time for another fun weekend of videos, and since the 4th of July is coming up, I want to share with you some of the best moments from each fireworks show we went to. Yeah. So tonight we are going to see fireworks right here in where I'm living at Allen for the celebration at Celebration Park, which is very close to my school, Curtis Middle School. So I'm going to show you the best ones. So the fireworks recording thing got started in 2016. Fireworks were kind of loud, but just in case, I plugged in my ears. There were some awesome fireworks at the time. It was really fun. Alright, so 2016 was really fun. We actually take some photos this time. Here's a few. Some really good photos. And we actually record, but I told Mom to put them on Facebook. And of course we were in our car watching the fireworks from McKinney. Yeah, we were in McKinney watching the fireworks for 3 straight years. This is the fireworks finale. Fireworks finale is my favorite part. Just all the fireworks at one time.
Fireworks done? Not yet.
Not yet. So it's over. It's over. Woo! 2019 was really good. Not something else. 2019 fireworks were good, and that was the first time we got to watch it in Allen. And then in 2020, which was of course a terrible year, since 2020 was kind of a abrupt for the world, we watched it from our car again. It was right by a park here. So here's some footage. Yeah, good fireworks there. Don't have to show you the whole thing. And of course, we were right here for the fireworks show. We had a great time. And then we went again right here in Allen last year. So, these are all the fireworks. Then we went to another fireworks show in McKinney, but all of a sudden there was a little crossfire, so they had to stop early. I was a little upset, but still great shows. And I think tomorrow I will show you guys the whole thing from this year's fireworks show. So, I hope you'll join us for that. See you then. Bye.